to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me in another video. I've not ironed my top, so don't judge me on that. Today I'm going to be sharing with you 4 pieces of clothing. I was very lucky actually to be contacted by a lovely company called Black Betty. Whoa Black Betty, bam bam, whoa Black Betty, bam bam. Who else thinks of that when I say Black Betty? I just can't help but sing it. High street brands have too much stock in their warehouses, they don't have any room to keep it, so Black Betty gets that stock, reduces it to way more than half, 70 to 90% off, and puts that on their website. They have new stock every single day, but it's always such a bargain. It's women's fashion and they have clothes, so like t-shirts, jeans, etc. They have jackets and they have shoes. There's also an email section that you can sign up to, and then they will send you an email when a sneak peek of tomorrow's deals go on. Because they buy the overstock, they have a limited quantity of each item, so tomorrow's deals is going to be different from deals that they have on today. All these clothes I think were like just over £5 or just under £5, which was absolutely amazing. I do want to mention that there's a 50% off discount code for you guys, which is weird. Like, wow, it's going to make the clothes so much more cheap considering they're like a £5 already. And sorry, I'm scrolling through my emails. Where is it? Your 50% discount code for your followers is Kirstin20. I'll leave it here on the screen so that you can see it, and I'm going to leave it down below in the description box along with a tracking link. Make sure you click that link to go on and order the clothes if you do want to go into Black Betty. Don't get any money if you do click the link, but at least then it lets Black Betty know that you come from my YouTube channel, which is really great. The code is also limited time only. I don't know how long it'll last for, but if you want to check it out soon, because yeah, they've let me know that it's only a limited time discount code. I've rambled on quite a little bit now, but I didn't want to give you that information first of all because I'm really grateful to Black Betty for sending me these clothes for free. And yeah, now let me show you what I got. I got 4 items. They come to £21.80 altogether. There was nothing much more or much less than £5. So the first thing is this t-shirt that I'm wearing. It is so cute. It is oversized, so it's a little bit baggy, and hopefully as you can see, I'm trying to turn in the light whilst looking in the viewfinder. It's metallic. Oh my god, I love it. Super comfy as well. It's very nice fabric. It feels so soft on the inside, and yeah, it just hangs really nicely. I'm not sure if you can wear it off the shoulder. You probably could if you sized up in it. I love it so much. It looks really cute tucked into a skirt, which is the next item I've got to show you. So this is the skirt that I got. It's like a faded black denim. This is what it looks like. It's got a nice fray at the bottom, which makes it look a little bit more chic, a bit more rock. And then at the back, it's got embroidered flowers and some studs on the pocket, which I think is so cute. Oh, I did forget to mention, this top and the skirt is from a brand. The label anyway says Mojito Collection. I've not heard of that, but I wonder if that's just a label that they put on it. I don't know if maybe that's the high street shop or not. Either way, the quality of the skirt and the top is really good. With the skirt, I got this in a 10. It's actually a little bit too big on me. I should have ended up getting it in an 8, which is usually the size of jeans that I wear anyway, but I don't have much skirts. I just thought, just in case, I wanted to get it in a 10 because I didn't want it to be too tight on me. But it has a stretch in it, if you can see that as I'm pulling it. Could have got away with an 8, so if you're like similar sizes to me, then I'd probably end up going for an 8 if the skirt goes back online, because I have been checking like every day since I ordered, and some of these clothes have went back on after I ordered them, so yeah, you might be able to still pick this denim skirt up. And I know for a fact that this was £4.95, which is a bargain price. The next thing I got was this grey jumper. This is so cute, I love it. This is by the brand Reserved Knitted. Again, I've never heard of that. That must be the high street brand, but I'm not entirely sure. But it's really soft. It's got long sleeves, kind of like a grey marrow design. It's fully knitted jumper. It's got bits of white, grey and a darker greyish black colour, so it's really pretty. The neck of it is again similar to this top in the fact that it goes like a large hole what am I trying to say here? Like the neckline is quite large and quite scooped, which I do think is very flattering. So that is what the neck on this looks like, and it comes with these little zips which are really cute too. It's kind of a crop jumper. It doesn't go all the way down like past your bum, so it's kind of cropped. Again, great for tucking into high-waisted jeans and the skirt again. And the last thing I picked up was this super bright, super oversized jumper. This is how big it is. I'm not sure if you're going to be able to see it all on camera. It's a really, really big oversized jumper and I love it. You could totally wear it as like a dress just with leggings, and I had it on the other day with like blue jeggings and this jumper. It's actually what I filmed in when I filmed my Test and Primark makeup, and I wore it off the shoulder because it's really nice and baggy. This again is from that Mojito Basics range, and I got this in a size small. This is what the sleeves look like. They just go to your above your elbow because they're quite tight but baggy on like the shoulder part. And then at the bottom it has these little slits which I think are really cute as well. And then the back of the jumper, if I can show you this, back of the jumper hangs down a little bit further than the top. I love wearing things off the shoulder, especially when you're transitioning into spring. It's kind of still cold from the winter. Spring's a little bit more hotter, you don't really want to wear a jacket. Jumpers are great for that because you can wear a vest top, layer it up, jumper over the top, get your shoulder out. You're looking forward to the summer without wearing summer clothes. So that is a little bit that I picked up from Black Betty. Again, I am so super grateful for them contacting me and sending me such lovely things. Please, if you do want to check them out, use the link below in the description box, and remember the 50% off discount code which is on the screen now, and it's going to be again listed down below in the description box. I absolutely love doing this collaboration with Black Betty. Their clothes are super good quality and so cheap as well. If you're wondering what is on my face as well, or my lips or anything, I'm going to leave the video that I filmed, which was my Get Ready With Me date night edition, and leave that listed down below, and it will show you exactly what is on my face, how I done my hair, and what outfit I wore as well. So thank you so much for watching. If you did enjoy this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Why do I always say a big thumbs up? Like, you can't give it a little one. You can't be like, oh, little thumbs up, oh, big thumbs up. You know what I mean? I'm in a weird mood now, guys. I've been filming for ages and these lights have made me go a little bit mental. So thank you once again for watching, and I will see you on Wednesday with another video. Bye!